Hello to our dear teachers. For this video, I'll be showing you how to generate our Google Meet meeting link that we're going to use during our examinations for this first quarter. So all you have to do is, of course, first go to your Google account. And here, I will show you one way to do this, which for me is actually the easier way to do how to generate meeting links in Google Meet. So first up, you have to make sure that you are logged in as the user in your browser. Afterwards, you simply go to your Google Apps right here. So click your Google Apps and locate your calendar. So click your calendar. Okay. And afterwards, of course, should be given your calendar with the different dates and the different activities you have for those dates. I strongly suggest that you link your Google Calendar or you sync it up with your meeting when it comes to either Zoom or Google Meet. But for this video, we will be creating, of course, the Google Meet link. So first thing that you should do is go to this create button located on the left. Click that create button, and first you have to add a title. So for example, this is your first quarter exam. So like that's the title. That's the event. Next is, of course, you have to set the time and the date. So for example, I'll click on this. Okay. So let's say, for example, the exam date would fall on a Monday starting September 28th. So I'll click this one. All right. And we have to, of course, set the time. Okay. The exam would start from homeroom period. Let's say, for example, 8 o'clock. Oops, this is PM. Let's make it AM, of course. So 8 o'clock AM is the start of the exam, and you could set as well the end time. So let's say, for example, we end at 12. That's just an example. And we also said that our exam, once we open our meeting links, we advise students not to move out anymore of the meeting room. So we could just have this open for the whole duration of the 4 hours. Or you can just actually set it all day. And if you click this one, you don't have to worry about the time. Okay. And as the meeting host, you could tell, of course, your students to leave the meeting room once the exam is finished. And once you close the meeting room, then um, of course, that's the end of your meeting. Now, what about if, for example, I would like this meeting link to be used for the whole duration of the whole week? I will click on the button here, does not repeat, but I'm going to click either weekly on Monday. I don't want that. Okay. Or I could just choose this one every day from Monday to Friday. So I could click this one, and sure enough, I could use and open this link for the whole week, for the duration of the whole week. All right. And then, of course, since we are going to meet using Google Meet video conferencing, you simply click Add Google Meet video conference. Now, we don't really need to have an added guest here, but that would actually depend on the teacher. If, for example, you want all your students to be added as guests, so you have to input actually all of their um, Google accounts. But you can also not do that and just give them the link like this one that we can embed either in our homeroom tile or yes, in our homeroom tile, which they will just click. Okay, so no need to add guest. Okay, so here we're just about to finish this one. I could make it a different color so that it's easier for me to find later. So let's have it a blueberry color. And that's it. You could just actually click save after that. And if you will notice, it's here from 28 until this part here. Okay. Oh, there you go. So you have this color here, which means to say this is my exam link. So the next time you open the link, you just simply go to your calendar and click on this and simply click join with Google Meet. But what do I do in order for me to give this to the students? All you have to do is actually copy this part right here. So let's just click edit event. Let's edit the event and copy this one. Okay. There's your meeting ID. You could actually copy the meeting ID right here. So copy that meeting ID and of course save it in your homeroom tile or link it in your homeroom tile or embed it for whatever purpose or however you want to call it. That is how you generate your Google Meeting link. And just like how we do it in Zoom, we open that by simply clicking on the link. So that's it. For more questions, please feel free to contact me anytime. I actually made a video on this. Prior to this video, I made already a video on how to embed your meeting links in Canvas using either Google Meet or Zoom. So thank you very much for tuning in. Hope this helped you in one way or the other. Thank you.